guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, we are still getting prepared for the holidays, and today we are making sweet potato bread. This is an old southern staple and it is very tasty. So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need to put this sweet potato bread together. Okay, to put our sweet potato bread together, we're going to need some sugar. Here we have brown sugar and regular granulated sugar. We have vanilla extract. We have nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, buttermilk, self-rising flour. We have 1 stick of butter, 1 egg, and the star, sweet potatoes. I went ahead and boiled these sweet potatoes and peeled them. So all I have to do now is get them into my bowl and blend them up. And of course, we're going to need something to bake our bread in. Okay, in our mixing bowl, we want to go ahead and add our 1 stick of melted butter that has been sitting at room temperature. We're going to go ahead and cream this butter, and then we're going to add our sugar gradually. Go ahead and add our sugar. That's a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to stop and scrape our bowl down. We're going to crack our 1 egg into a bowl. And a tip for all the new cooks: always crack your egg in a separate bowl. Do not crack it directly over your dish, in case you have a bad egg. Okay, we just need that 1 egg. We're going to get that in there. All blend it up. Get our bowl straight down. And that's what we have so far. Add your sweet potatoes. You need about 1.5 cups. I had a little bit more than 1.5 cups, so I'm just adding them all in here. We're not going to waste them. We're going to get those blended in there. Now tell me if that doesn't look like Thanksgiving. The beautiful bright orange color. Look at that. So pretty. This is our 2 cups of self-rising flour. We're going to go ahead and get that all whisked together to remove any lumps. And we're going to add our spices. We have 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. We have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, we're just going to get those all stirred together. Now we're going to alternate dry along with our 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Go ahead and get some flour in there. Get that blended. Okay, let's get some buttermilk in there. 1/2 of this buttermilk. Okay. Take your cooking spray and spray your loaf pan very well. And we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. And I have my oven set at 325. So make sure you just know your oven. Okay, we'll see you in about an hour. Take a look at our beautiful sweet potato bread. Okay, we're going to go ahead and flip our sweet potato bread. I have a piece of parchment paper here that I have cut to the size of my pan here. So I'm going to take it. Oh, that was quick. So look at that bread. And one thing I like about this pan, it's like a slicing pan. So you can see, you can slice your cake. So we're going to go ahead and slice this piece. It is still warm, but we're going to go ahead and slice us a piece. Look how beautiful that is. Nice and moist. If you are a sweet potato lover, I think you're going to really enjoy this recipe. It was my pleasure to share this recipe with you. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.